real quick, I just want to talk about websites, designing a website. A, it should not be expensive. B, it should be like fast and quick. And a lot of people spend way too much time like designing this perfect website and making it like the most beautiful thing on the planet and all this. Really what's important is behind the website, okay? Meaning the digital marketing and the search engine optimization and the social media marketing. How are you going to get people to come to your website? That's the key. Otherwise, what you have is like if you compare it to a really, really nice car that you spent all this money buying, but now the car doesn't know, it doesn't have a GPS system built into it, so it doesn't know where to go. It doesn't have any destination. It doesn't know where the audience is. It doesn't know how to drive to a targeted, audience that has money that wants to buy your product. Don't spend a lot of money or time or energy on your website. Focus on the message, the clear message, what it is that you want to tell your audience, and then what it is that you want them to do. So here's what I have and here's what I want you to do, and then spend all the money and focus mostly energy on the digital marketing, the behind the scenes, how are you going to get the people there to come and do the thing that you're asking them to do on your website. Care mostly about the results. What is the website going to do for you? Is it just going to be a beautiful fancy car that just sits in the parking lot and goes nowhere? Or is it going to be a good looking car? We can make it look better over time, but a car that at least is going to drive you, your products, your services to your marketplace. Okay, so think about that.